Hi, I'm Ace, your tutor at UScore Academy. Let's learn coordinate plane together, step by step. The coordinate plane is made of two number lines. The x-axis runs left and right, and the y-axis runs up and down. They cross at a point called the origin, written as 0, 0. We name a point with an ordered pair, like 3, 2. The first number is the x-coordinate, telling how far across. The second is the y-coordinate, telling how far up. Order matters. To plot a point, always start at the origin. Move right the amount of the x-coordinate, then move up the amount of the y-coordinate. Right first, then up, and mark your point there. Let's plot 4, 1. Start at the origin and move right 4 spaces along the x-axis. Then move up 1 space. Mark the point. That spot is 4, 1. So an ordered pair lists the x-coordinate first, then the y-coordinate. To plot it, start at the origin, go right, then go up. Remember, x before y, across before up. Great work! Keep practicing with Ace at UScoreAcademy.com for free lessons, worked examples, and practice.